Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost walk. To create a truly convincing ghostly walk, we'll focus on crafting an ethereal and unsettling movement. The key is to combine specific materials with deliberate, flowing motions, making your ghost appear to glide rather than step. We'll explore how simple techniques can transform an ordinary walk into something truly supernatural, perfect for any spooky occasion or production. Get ready to learn the secrets to a captivating spectral presence. To begin, gather your essential materials for crafting the perfect ghost. You'll need several yards of very lightweight, translucent fabric, such as white chiffon or organza, to create that flowing, ethereal look. A large, lightweight hoop skirt or a flexible frame will give your ghost costume impressive volume and a wide base. For an extra touch of mystery, a small fog machine or some dry ice can generate a low-lying mist, enhancing the illusion of a spirit gliding just above the ground. Now let's master the spectral movement itself. The performer should take very small, shuffling steps, almost gliding across the floor, to eliminate any visible footfalls. A wide, voluminous costume, especially one with a hoop or frame, will effectively hide the feet, making it appear as if the ghost is floating. Encourage slow, deliberate arm movements, perhaps reaching out or drifting, to add to the eerie, otherworldly presence. Practice these motions in front of a mirror to achieve a truly seamless and unsettling glide. To truly enhance your ghostly illusion, consider these final touches. Strategic lighting is crucial. Try illuminating your ghost from below or behind with cool-toned lights to create an ethereal glow. Subtle sound effects, such as faint whispers or distant, mournful moans, can significantly amplify the spooky atmosphere without being overwhelming. A small, hidden fan can also add dramatic, flowing movement to the fabric, making the ghost seem to drift on an unseen breeze. Experiment with varying speeds and pauses to give your ghost a truly unpredictable and chilling presence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.